Total One is the only bath waste plumbing solution you'll ever need. The innovative 2-in-1 design accommodates direct drain configurations where the outlet is located directly below the tub drain. And the same components can be swapped to accommodate offset drain configurations where the outlet is located directly behind the tub in line with the overflow. Available in ABS or PVC, the Total One is your all-in-one bath drain solution. Total One eliminates waste and allows contractors to keep one kit in the truck for both installation types, while maximizing shelf space and reducing inventory costs for wholesalers. Total One. Your job just got easier. To discover the complete line of Total One products, visit www.osb.ca or osbplumbing.com.